The word looping itself explains us what is meant by looping. Means it repeats the condition again and again until that task or until that condition becomes true. It repeats routinely. Looping, the word looping refers to routinely, repeatedly it repeats that condition until it becomes true. And it's of 4 types: do while, do while, for, nested for. We will see the syntax and example programs also for all these 4 types. It likes difference between, we will see difference between while and do while, then for and nested for. To explain this while and do while separately, I will just differentiate and explain this while and do while. What is the difference between these both things and what are the common things about these both things, so that one can understand it clearly. This while statement, it will be carried out and repeatedly, as like looping I said, it is used to carry out repeatedly until the statement is true. Here in while, I have with the while I have the expression or condition in the bracket, and the statement will be executed. And if it means when the statement will be executed means if the condition is true, only the statement will be executed, and it don't have any else option like in decision making. If the condition is false, again it will come, again it will repeatedly, it will again and again try to make this condition true and to execute this statement. But in do while, the syntax, these are the basic syntax. In while condition, the statement will be inside the curly braces, but in do while I have do, it's only, that's why it's separated. Do while means do will be preferred in the first. I will have the statement. After the execution of the statement only the condition will be checked whether it is true or false. So that is the basic difference between this while and do while. In this while, before the execution of the statement, I will just check the condition. But in do while, after the execution of the statement, that's why I'm doing it first. I'm doing the statement first. I'm doing the statement to be executed in the output first, and then the condition is checked. So that's why they gave this condition, while condition statement at the end of this curly braces, semicolon. So now we can see the programs, example program for this while and do while. See, this is program for while and this is program for do while. You can easily identify here the while statement prefers in the first, and here the while statement comes at the end of the program. So as it is a C program, the header files are common. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, int data type, and I am assigning the variable as I, and I am giving a value for it 0. After clearing my screen in while program, I am using the condition while if I is less than and equal to 9. This is the condition. I should be less than and equal to 9. Then the printf statement comes, as it is a int data type %d, I plus plus means I will be first checked. I is equal to 1, 1 plus 1. I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. Likewise, it should be incremented up to 9. As I have given in the condition equal to symbol also, 9 will also be included. From 0 to 9, the output will be produced. It is a normal while statement. But in do while, after clearing my screen, I gave the condition called only do, as like in the syntax. Then in the printf statement, int data type %d, the I plus 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 is incremented inside the print statement. Then after I am closing the curly braces, I am giving the condition while I less than equal to 9, I am getting the ch, closing the bracket. But the output is same for both. From 0 to 9, as I have given equal to symbol also, from 0 to 9 the output will be produced. All the numbers will be produced, and I have given increment sign. If I minus the it will be different. I have given I plus plus, so it's incremented one by one from 0 plus plus. So this is what in this looping statement, the while and do while. The difference between these two is the condition is checked in the front, in the beginning of that statement, means it is while condition. If the condition is checked at the end, it is do while. And we have also seen the programs for all these also. I think it clearly now we have got an idea about what is the difference between this while and do while. Next is the last two types is for and nested for. What is this for and nested for? What's its type? We can see it. In for and nested for, we only have the basic syntax for these things. The basic syntax for and nested for is, in for, I am giving initialization, condition, incrementation, decrementation, semicolon. Means initialization, it means I am initializing. It is used to give a variable. It is used to change a variable. And the condition that is used, the condition inside the bracket we will give. Incrementation or decrementation means used to change the value of the variable during execution. During execution, as like in the previous program we have seen, I have incremented I plus plus. So that is these all things are included inside this for statement, and the statement is executed. Next is nested for. In nested for, the word as we seen in decision making statement, nested if means inside we have many if and many else statement. Likewise in this nested for statement, first it is there initialization, condition, incrementation and decrementation. Inside the for statement we will have another for statement, initialization, condition, and this statement, this curly brace space is there. No, this represents this for statement. This executes only for this for statement, and this for statement is inside the basic for statement. So the curly braces is entered. So that is called the nested for. So we have seen four types in this looping statement last: while, do while, for, and nested for. So this is what the theory statement for the unit 1. That is control statements in C. Later videos we will see about the codings of the programming in C. Thank you.